This video will show you how to remove the stock intake on all 2014 through 2021 5.7-liter Toyota Tundras.
Step number one, guys, of course, pop your hood. We're gonna pop our engine cover off. Just lift straight up and set it aside. Next step, let's disconnect our factory sensor here. You're just gonna pinch and disconnect that factory harness. Now, as you can see, there is a retainer clip here, so we're gonna pop that guy off. If you need to, you can grab a panel tool, so let's do that. All right, with a panel removal tool, we'll be able to easily pop that guy off. Next, let's disconnect our two hoses here. We have one with a hose clamp and one smaller one. Now what you want to do for these hoses is pinch this hose clamp, and we're going to shuffle it back and off of that fitting, and then pull the hose straight back. With this little guy, we're just going to pull straight off, just like that. Next, let's loosen up the clamp on our throttle body, connecting it to the tubing. Grab a 10 socket and loosen that guy up. Next, we have two 10mm bolts holding on our factory heat shield to the engine bay. We have 110 right down here, and then on the opposite corner of the intake, which you can't see from here. We'll get that off in a second. Let's start here with this one. I'm gonna use a longer extension on my impact and get the 10 off. All right, now you don't have to pull it all the way off, because obviously you can see it has this retainer washer. You just wanna make sure it's loose, and then repeat that for the other one on the other corner. Opposite corner, same thing. Next, you're just gonna pop the entire factory intake off, starting at the throttle body, and feed that guy out.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tundra, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.